Malaysian-born Hollywood actress Tan Sri Michelle Yeoh has announced she will donate 100,000 euros to be spent for the relief and rehabilitations of victims of recent earthquakes in Nepal. She made the donation through the Emergency Action Fund of Nepal Automobile Sports Association's NASA. Yeoh, accompanied by her fiancé Jin Todd, arrived in Kathmandu on Friday to attend the program of NASA. This is her second visit to Nepal, as she had earlier returned to France, cutting short her Nepal visit due to the massive earthquake.